versus Neil. This week, longest sketchy dirt bike job.
Move it every time. What's the ramp mounted?
That's pretty impressive. Nice style, Neil. I'll tell you what, Robbie Madison's quaking in his boots right now. What technique is that? What technique is that? Hitting hope?
Can't tell you.
Oh, don't give away your secrets. Yeah. Right, well, where my foot is the marker. Can I trust you to, like... One. Thank you. I can't believe that. You destroyed me. Brilliant.
That makes it 2-1 to Neil. Mackenzie. Next week, the fastest dirt bike blindfolded lap of a field in Leicestershire. Just make sure you watch it.